Let's be honest for a second. Managing your own cloud servers sounds powerful until you're actually doing it. You're configuring firewalls, setting up WordPress, managing backups, updating plugins, fixing performance issues, watching for security threats, and somehow you're supposed to build your product too? That's exactly why we built CloudRaptor. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything CloudRaptor can do and show you how it simplifies serious cloud infrastructure. Let's jump in. To get started with CloudRaptor, simply create an account. You can either continue with Google for a quick sign-in or register manually using your name, email, and password. Just confirm your password, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and click Create Account. If you already have an account, simply click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the CloudRaptor dashboard, your central control center for managing servers, applications, and infrastructure. At the top, you can see summary cards showing the number of active servers, deployed applications, total servers, and projects you're managing. These metrics give you an instant snapshot of your cloud environment. Below that, CloudRaptor provides quick actions so you can perform common tasks faster. From here, you can connect a new server, deploy an application, or create a project to organize your resources. Further down, you'll find Recent Activity. The Recent Servers section shows the latest servers connected to your account, along with their status and IP address. And on the right side, the Recent Applications section lists your deployed applications so you can quickly monitor or access them. All of this is designed to give you immediate visibility and control over your cloud infrastructure. Let's start by connecting a server. From the dashboard, CloudRaptor provides quick actions to speed up common tasks. One of the most important is Connect Server, which allows you to provision a new server or connect an existing one. Once you click Connect Server, CloudRaptor walks you through a guided setup process. First, you choose your cloud provider. For example, you can provision infrastructure directly through Amazon Web Services. From here, you can select the AWS service you want to use. CloudRaptor supports both EC2 and Lightsail. EC2 gives you full control and flexibility over your infrastructure, while Lightsail provides simpler, predictable pricing for smaller deployments. To proceed with AWS provisioning, you'll need to add your AWS credentials so CloudRaptor can securely manage resources on your behalf. Once credentials are added, CloudRaptor can automatically deploy and configure servers for you. Before CloudRaptor can provision servers for you, you'll need to add your cloud provider credentials. Let me quickly show you how that works. Click the Add Credentials button. CloudRaptor securely manages your cloud provider API credentials so it can automate server provisioning and infrastructure management. Your credentials are fully encrypted using AES 256 encryption, and secret keys are never exposed inside the dashboard. If this is your first time setting things up, you'll see that no credentials have been added yet. To get started, click Add Credentials. From here, you can create a new cloud credential. First, give your credential a name so you can easily identify it later. Next, select your provider. For example, you can connect Amazon Web Services or Cloudflare. If you're connecting AWS, simply enter your AWS Access Key ID and your AWS Secret Access Key. You can also select a default region where your infrastructure will be deployed. If you're unsure where to find these credentials, CloudRaptor provides quick instructions. Just head to the AWS console, open IAM, select your user, and create a new access key under Security Credentials. CloudRaptor also supports Cloudflare integration. In that case, you would simply paste your Cloudflare API token with DNS edit permissions. Once added, CloudRaptor can automatically detect your zones and manage DNS configurations for your applications. With credentials connected, you're ready to start provisioning servers and deploying applications directly from the platform. If you already have your own server, CloudRaptor also allows you to connect it directly using the Custom Server option. This is perfect if you're running servers on providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, Hetzner, or any VPS where you already have access. To connect a custom server, simply enter your server's SSH connection details. Start by giving your server a name so it's easy to identify inside CloudRaptor. Next, enter the server's public IP address or host name. You'll also specify the SSH port, which is typically port 22 unless your server uses a custom configuration. Finally, enter the SSH username with sudo access, for example, root or Ubuntu. CloudRaptor currently supports Ubuntu servers running version 22.04 or 24.04 LTS. Once these details are entered, CloudRaptor securely connects to your server and automatically prepares it for application deployment, monitoring, and management. This makes it incredibly easy to bring existing infrastructure under the CloudRaptor platform. Now let's take a closer look at the Servers section. From the dashboard, simply click Servers in the left sidebar. This is where you manage and monitor all of your cloud infrastructure. At the top of the page, you'll see tools that help you quickly navigate your servers. You can search for specific servers using the search bar, or filter them by project. On the right side, CloudRaptor shows the total number of servers currently connected to your account, and provides a New Server button if you want to provision or connect another one. Below that is the server list. Each server card gives you a quick overview of its current status and configuration. For example, here we can see a server called Key Server, which is currently active. CloudRaptor also shows the server type, along with its public IP address, so you always know exactly which machine you're managing. At a glance, you can also see the server's resource specifications, including CPU, RAM, and available disk space. This makes it easy to monitor your infrastructure without needing to log directly into the server. On the right side of the server card, CloudRaptor also provides quick controls and actions. Here, you can quickly see the number of applications currently running on the server, check the sync status, perform power actions such as restarting or stopping the server, and deploy new applications directly using the Add App button. To view more details about a server, simply click on it from the server list. This opens the server management page, where CloudRaptor provides deeper monitoring tools and infrastructure controls. From here, you can monitor system resources, manage server services, configure security rules, access your server through SSH or SFTP, and perform maintenance tasks, all from one place. The first section is monitoring. Here, CloudRaptor provides real-time insights into your server's performance. At the top, you can see the CPU usage graph, which tracks how much processing power your server is using over time. Since this server has 2 CPU cores, the maximum usage can go up to 200%. On the right side, you can also see the current average usage per core. Below that, CloudRaptor displays memory usage, showing how much RAM is currently being used compared to the total available memory. These visual charts make it easy to monitor your server's health and performance without needing to log in and run command line tools. Next is power controls. This section allows you to perform basic server power actions. For custom servers, CloudRaptor allows you to restart the server through SSH. If you need to start or stop the server entirely, that action is typically handled through your cloud provider's control panel. This keeps CloudRaptor focused on application and infrastructure management, while still providing quick restart capabilities when needed. CloudRaptor also makes it easy to securely access your server. In the SFTP and SSH section, you'll find all the connection details needed for remote access. This includes the host address, SSH port, username, and protocol. CloudRaptor also provides ready-to-use connection examples for SFTP, SSH, and SCP commands. For security, your private key is encrypted and stored securely within the platform, and you can download it whenever needed. As always, it's important to keep your private keys secure, since anyone with access to them can connect to your server. Next, we have Core Services. This section shows the main system services currently running on the server. For example, here we can see Nginx, which is responsible for serving web traffic. Docker is running as the container runtime, allowing applications to run in isolated environments. And MariaDB is active as the database server. Each service includes quick controls that allow you to restart or stop the service directly from the dashboard. This makes troubleshooting or applying quick fixes much easier without needing to log into the server manually. Security is also built directly into the platform. In the Firewall section, CloudRaptor manages server firewall rules using UFW, also known as the uncomplicated firewall. Here you can view and manage allowed ports for your server. For example, port 22 is used for SSH access, while ports 80 and 443 are used for web traffic. You can also add new firewall rules whenever needed to control which connections are allowed to reach your server. Finally, the Settings section provides maintenance and advanced server actions. From here, you can update the CloudRaptor agent, which refreshes configurations and ensures the server stays in sync with the platform. There is also a Danger Zone section, which allows you to terminate the server instance if needed. Since terminating a server permanently deletes the instance and all associated data, this action is protected and should only be used when you are certain the server is no longer needed. Now let's deploy an application. You can start this process directly from the dashboard using the Deploy Application quick action. Simply click Deploy Application to launch the setup wizard. The first step is the application setup. Here you give your application a name, choose the server where it will run, and configure the domain. For example, we can name our application My WordPress Site. Next, choose the application type. Currently, CloudRaptor supports WordPress deployments with additional options like static sites, Node.js, and Laravel coming soon. Below that, you'll select the server where the application will be deployed. In this case, we'll choose our key server. Then you'll configure the domain. CloudRaptor provides multiple options here. The fastest option is a staging domain, which gives you a free CloudRaptor subdomain so you can launch instantly without configuring DNS. If you're using Cloudflare, you can also connect your domain with automatic DNS configuration. Or you can use a custom domain and configure the DNS records manually. For this example, we'll use a staging domain and continue with the setup. Next, we configure the WordPress installation. Here you'll create the administrator account for your new website. Simply enter the admin email, username, and optional details like first and last name. You can also select the PHP version you want your application to run on. CloudRaptor supports multiple versions, allowing you to match the requirements of your project. SSL certificates are handled automatically when using Cloudflare's managed certificates, helping ensure your site is secure by default. If needed, you can also enable advanced options such as the WordPress multi-site network, which allows multiple websites to run from a single WordPress installation. Once everything is configured, simply click Install WordPress to begin the deployment. CloudRaptor will immediately start setting up your application on the server. And as you can see here, the platform provides real-time progress updates so you can follow the entire deployment process. You'll see each step happening automatically, from preparing the server, creating the database, deploying the container, configuring SSL, installing WordPress, setting up caching, and finally completing the installation. If you want deeper insight into what's happening behind the scenes, you can also open the detailed logs to monitor the process step by step. In just a short moment, your WordPress application will be fully deployed and ready to use. Once the installation is complete, CloudRaptor displays the application summary. Here, you can immediately see that your application is ready and live. The platform provides your site URL, which is the public address where the application is accessible. You'll also see the WordPress admin URL, which takes you directly to the login page for managing your website. Below that, CloudRaptor shows the administrator username and the generated password for your WordPress installation. These credentials are securely stored and can always be accessed later from the application settings if needed. From here, you can open your website, log into the WordPress dashboard, or continue managing your applications inside CloudRaptor. With just a few steps, your WordPress site is fully deployed and ready to go. Now let's take a look at where your deployed applications appear inside the CloudRaptor dashboard. From the sidebar, click on Applications. This page allows you to deploy and manage all of your web applications in one place. At the top, you'll find tools to search for applications or filter them by project. On the right side, you'll see the total number of applications currently running, along with the Add Application button if you want to deploy another one. Below that is the applications list. Here we can see the WordPress site we just created. CloudRaptor displays useful information at a glance, including the application name, its current status, the application type, the server it's running on, and the domain where the site is accessible. This makes it easy to quickly identify and manage your deployments. On the right side of each application, CloudRaptor also provides quick action controls. These buttons allow you to instantly check the container status, open the live website in your browser, or delete the application if it is no longer needed. Now that we've seen where our applications appear inside the dashboard, let's take a closer look at the application itself. Simply click on the application from the list to open the detailed management view. This page acts as the control center for your deployed application. At the top, you can see the application name, its current status, the server it's running on, and the domain where the site is accessible. You'll also find a Visit Site button, which allows you to instantly open the live website in your browser. On the left side, CloudRaptor provides a navigation panel with all the tools needed to manage the application. From here, you can access the overview, manage SSL certificates, adjust PHP settings, access the database, browse files using the file manager, perform backups and restores, configure caching, manage WordPress settings, review security options, or delete the application if needed. This structured layout makes it easy to find everything related to your application in one place. In the Overview section, the first panel shows the connection details for your application. Here you can see the domain currently assigned to the site, along with its SSL status. Because this site is using a staging domain, CloudRaptor automatically provides a secure subdomain with SSL already enabled. If you want to connect your own domain, you can simply click Change Domain and configure it. Once your site is ready for production, you can also mark the application as production directly from this panel. Next, the Environment panel shows the underlying stack and runtime configuration. Here you can see the PHP version the application is running on, the deployment region, the platform type, and the current system status. This gives you a quick technical overview of the environment powering your application. Below that, CloudRaptor provides quick access to your WordPress admin panel. The platform stores the administrator credentials and provides the admin URL for direct login. One especially convenient feature here is Magic Login. With Magic Login, you can access the WordPress dashboard instantly with a single click, without needing to manually enter your username and password. This makes it much faster to jump into your site and start managing content. Next, let's take a look at SSL Certificate Management. From the left sidebar, click SSL Certificates. This section allows you to manage HTTPS security for your domain. Here you can see the current domain attached to the application, along with its SSL status. CloudRaptor supports multiple SSL options depending on your needs. The recommended option is Let's Encrypt, which provides free certificates that automatically renew every 90 days. You can also use a self-signed certificate for quick development setups, although browsers may show a security warning. And if you already have your own certificate from a trusted certificate authority, you can upload it using the custom SSL option. To configure SSL, simply click Configure, choose your preferred option, and enable HTTPS for the domain. Next, we have PHP Settings. This section allows you to manage the runtime environment for your application. Here, you can see the current PHP version running on the server, and if needed, you can easily switch to another supported version. When changing the PHP version, CloudRaptor briefly restarts the application container, which usually takes around 10 to 30 seconds. Below that, you'll find additional PHP configuration options that allow you to fine-tune your application's runtime behavior. For example, you can adjust memory limits, maximum upload sizes, script execution time limits, and other important PHP settings. These options make it easy to optimize performance and compatibility for different WordPress plugins and workloads.
CloudRaptor also provides direct database management tools. By opening the database section, you can access your application's database through phpMyAdmin. From here, you can view tables, manage records, run queries, and perform database maintenance. For security reasons, phpMyAdmin access is disabled by default and must be manually activated. This helps protect your database from unauthorized access and automated attacks. Additionally, the database environment is fully isolated, meaning phpMyAdmin will only show the schema related to this specific application. System-level databases and other applications remain completely inaccessible.
Next, let's take a look at the File Manager. This section allows you to browse and manage your application files directly from the CloudRaptor dashboard. Instead of connecting through FTP or SSH, you can access your entire project directory right here. At the top, you'll find quick actions for creating new files, creating folders, uploading files, and fixing file permissions if needed. Below that, you can see the full directory structure of the application. Since this is a WordPress installation, you'll notice familiar folders like WP-Admin, WP-Content, and WP-Includes, along with important configuration files such as wp-config.php. This built-in file manager makes it easy to edit files, upload assets, or troubleshoot issues without leaving the CloudRaptor interface. Next, let's explore the Backup and Restore section. This is where CloudRaptor helps you protect your application data by creating and managing backups. From this page, you can create manual backups, upload and restore backup files, configure external backup storage destinations, and set up automated backup schedules. These tools ensure that your website and database can always be restored if something goes wrong. First, let's look at manual backups. By clicking Create Backup, CloudRaptor allows you to instantly generate a backup of your application. You can choose exactly what should be included in the backup, such as the database, application files, or both. CloudRaptor also shows how much storage is available and how much space the backup will require. Once started, the backup runs in the background, meaning you can continue working while the system safely creates the backup archive. CloudRaptor also makes it easy to restore your site from an existing backup. In the Upload and Restore section, you can upload backup files in common formats like tar.gz, tgz, or zip. Once uploaded, CloudRaptor can automatically restore the site from that backup. The platform can even update site URLs and synchronize administrator credentials during the restore process, making migrations and recovery much simpler. Next, CloudRaptor allows you to configure external storage destinations for your backups. By adding a destination, backups can be stored outside of your server for extra safety. For example, you can connect cloud storage services like Amazon S3, S3-compatible storage providers, or Google Drive. This allows your backups to be securely stored in remote storage environments. When adding a destination, you simply provide the bucket information and access credentials for the storage provider. Once configured, that destination can be set as the default location for new backups. In addition to manual backups, CloudRaptor also supports automated backup scheduling. By setting up a schedule, the platform can automatically create backups at a specific time and frequency. For example, you can configure daily backups, choose how many backup versions should be retained, and select where the backups will be stored. CloudRaptor also includes a smart backup mode, which combines weekly full backups with daily incremental backups to balance performance and storage efficiency. Once configured, the platform automatically runs backups in the background and stores them according to your retention policy. This ensures your application data is always protected without requiring manual intervention. Next, let's look at the caching section. Caching is one of the most important tools for improving website performance, and CloudRaptor provides built-in caching systems designed specifically for WordPress. The first component is Redis Object Cache. Redis stores frequently accessed database queries and objects in memory, which significantly reduces the number of database requests your application needs to process. This helps your site respond faster and reduces server load. Here you can see details such as the Redis version, memory usage, and active client connections. You also have quick controls to restart or stop the Redis service if needed. Below that is full page cache. This feature uses Nginx fast CGI caching to store complete HTML pages so they can be delivered instantly to visitors. Instead of generating the page dynamically each time, the server can serve a cached version, dramatically improving page load speed. CloudRaptor automatically bypasses the cache for logged-in users, ensuring administrators and editors always see real-time content. You can also purge the cache at any time or configure custom bypass rules for specific URLs or cookies. Together, Redis Object Cache and Full Page Cache work side by side to optimize performance. Redis handles database-level caching, while Full Page Caching accelerates page delivery. This layered caching system helps WordPress sites run faster, scale better under traffic, and provide a smoother experience for visitors. Next, let's take a look at the WordPress management section. This page allows you to monitor and manage WordPress updates directly from the CloudRaptor dashboard. At the top, CloudRaptor shows a quick overview of available updates for the WordPress core, plugins, and themes. This makes it easy to see whether your site is fully up to date or requires maintenance. Below that, you can see the current WordPress core version running on your application. CloudRaptor automatically checks for updates and displays the status, so you always know if your installation is running the latest version. Further down, the platform lists all installed plugins. For each plugin, CloudRaptor shows the plugin name, the installed version, and whether it is up to date. This allows you to quickly review the plugins powering your website without needing to log into the WordPress admin dashboard. The same applies to themes. CloudRaptor displays all installed themes along with their update status. This centralized overview helps ensure your WordPress installation stays secure and properly maintained. Finally, let's take a look at the security tools available in CloudRaptor. In the security section, CloudRaptor includes a WordPress core integrity scanner. This tool verifies your WordPress core files by comparing them against the official checksums from WordPress.org. By running a scan, CloudRaptor can detect unauthorized file modifications, identify missing core files, and highlight any changes that could indicate a security issue. If modifications are detected, you can quickly resolve the issue by re-downloading the official WordPress core files. This helps ensure your installation remains clean, secure, and consistent with the official WordPress release. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at projects. Projects help you organize your servers and applications into logical groups. For example, you might create separate projects for different clients, environments, or products. From the Project section, you can create a new project by simply providing a project name and an optional description. Once created, servers and applications can be assigned to that project, making it easier to manage larger infrastructures and keep everything organized inside the CloudRaptor dashboard. Next, let's take a look at the account and team management options. In the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll find your profile menu. Clicking on your name opens the account dropdown, where you can access profile settings, manage cloud credentials, configure billing, and manage your team. CloudRaptor also supports team collaboration. Inside the Team section, you can manage members and invite new team members to your workspace. To invite someone, simply enter their email address and choose their role. CloudRaptor supports multiple permission levels, depending on the level of access you want to provide. Members can deploy and manage applications. Admins have full access and can also invite other team members. And viewers have read-only access, allowing them to monitor infrastructure without making changes. This role-based access system makes it easy to collaborate securely while maintaining control over your infrastructure. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the CloudRaptor Roadmap. This page highlights the progress of features across the platform, showing what has already been completed and what is planned for upcoming releases. As you can see, many core features are already live, including server provisioning, application deployment, domain management, SSL automation, database access, file management, caching, and project organization. These tools form the foundation of the CloudRaptor platform,
making it possible to manage modern cloud infrastructure from a single dashboard. The roadmap also shows several exciting features currently planned for development. This includes capabilities like automated backups, staging environments, Git-based deployments, cron job management, site migration tools, server scaling, an in-browser SSH terminal, and expanded team collaboration tools. This transparent roadmap gives users a clear view of how the platform continues to evolve and improve over time. And if you have ideas for new functionality, CloudRaptor also welcomes feature requests from the community to help shape the future of the platform.
And that's CloudRaptor, a platform built to help you deploy, manage, and scale your infrastructure on any VPS without DevOps complexity, command lines, or endless configuration. From launching servers and deploying applications to performance optimization, backups, security, and team collaboration, CloudRaptor brings everything together into one fast and powerful dashboard. Whether it's a personal project, building client websites, or scaling a high-traffic apps, CloudRaptor gives you the freedom to host anywhere and run your cloud like a pro. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can start for free, no credit card required. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of cloud management with CloudRaptor.